Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter 17. Next exercise 17.5. First and second question. Complete. Now, question number third. Question number third is a find median. Find median. In first and second question, find median, but simple marks and numbers are given. In question number third, table is given. Okay, marks of 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and number of student 2, 8, 16, 26, 20, 16, 7 and 4. 7 and okay. So according to table, we find out a median. Now, value of x and f are given in question. Value of x and value of f. Value of x and value of f are given. Okay, mention as it is. Mention as it is. Now, first we find out CF. CF means cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency. How do we find out? Now, cumulative frequency means cumulative frequency. Calculate from frequency. Calculate from a frequency. Okay. First frequency mention as it is. First frequency mention as it is. Here 2. Now in CF also mention 2. First frequency mention as it is. 2, it means 2. Next CF means 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. 10. Next CF 10 plus 16. 26. Next 26 plus 26. 52. Next 52 plus 20. 72. Next 72 plus 16. 88. 88 plus 7. 95. 95 plus 4. 99. Understood? Means CF first frequency as it is, and then added 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 16, 26, 26 plus 26, 52, 52 plus 20, 72, 72 plus 16, 88, 88 plus 7, 95, 95 plus 4, 99. Okay. Now we find out a median. We find out a median. We find out median means first we find out sigma f. First we find out value of sigma f. Here value of sigma f. Sigma f means addition of frequency 2 plus 8 plus 16 plus 26 plus 20 plus 16 plus 7 plus 4 equal 99. Sigma f equal 99. Now sigma f equal 99. Sorry. And we also mention sigma f as a n. Sigma f as a n number. Sigma f equal n equal 99. Okay. Now we calculate n by 2. It means sigma f divided by 2. Sigma f divided by 2. Sigma f divided by 2. 99 divided by 2. N by 2 means 99 divided by 2. 99 divided by 2. We get 49.5. We get 49.5. 49.5. So 49.5. Then the term corresponding to cumulative frequency. Then the term corresponding to cumulative frequency just above 49.5. Just above 49.5. Just above 49.5 in CF value is 52. Just above 49.5 in CF. We check just above 49.5. 49.5 in CF. 26 is less 52. 52 na? Okay. Now all values in front of 52 all values of in front of 52. Okay, closed in a box. Now we calculate median na, so median is a 26. Median is a 26. Median is a 26. Now median is 52. 52 means frequency is a 26. Frequency is a 26. Frequency 26 is a answer. Okay. Next question. And a 30. Value of x is a 30. It means median is a 30. Sorry. Mention median is a 30. Median is a 30. Median is a 30. Median 30 is a answer. Okay. Median 30 is a answer. Next, exercise 17.7. Exercise 17.7. Find median. Find a median. Okay. Find a median. Now, class and frequency is given. Class and frequency is given. Class is 20 to 30, frequency 6. 30 to 40, frequency 40, 20. 40 to 50, 44. 50 to 60, 26. 60 to 70, 3. 70 to 80, 1. Okay. Now, median. Identity of median. If class is given, then calculate median. Okay. Now, identity median equal L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F multiply H. Here L means a lower limit of median. L means a lower limit of median. CF cumulative frequency. F frequency. H difference of class size. N total frequency means CF. Okay. Question is given class 2030, class and frequency given. So mention class and frequency. Mention class and frequency as it is. Okay. Now, first we calculate sigma f. Okay. Sigma f means addition of frequency. 6 plus 20 plus 44 plus 26 plus 3 plus 1. It means we get 100. Sigma f equal we get 100. Now, sigma f means n, so n by 2. Next step, first step we calculate sigma f. Next step, by sigma f we calculate n by 2. N by 2 means 100 by 2. 100 by 2 means 50. 100 by 2 means 50. Okay. So, 50. According to 50, we check out corresponding term in CF just above 50. Just above 50. Just above 50 in CF 70. 70 na? CF means calculate by F. 6 as it is. 6 plus 20. 26. 26 plus 44. 70. 70 plus 26. 96. 96 plus 3, 99, 99 plus 1, 100. Okay. Now, just above 50 in a CF, just above 50 in CF corresponding term is 70, corresponding term is 70. Okay. Now, in front of 70, all values we closed in a box. Okay. In front of 70, value of f, value of frequency is 44. Value of frequency is 44. L. L means lower limit. Here mention L na. L means lower limit. Means in 44, in front of 44, class interval 40 to 50, then lower term 40, upper term 50. So lower term is a 40. Value of L is a 40. And now CF is a in front of F and its preceding. In front of F and its preceding is called CF. H means a difference of class. Difference of class means here 20 to 30 difference, 10, 30 to 40 10 difference, 40 to 50 10 difference, 50 to 60 10 difference, 60 to 70 10 difference, 70 to 80 10 difference. Okay, now all values put in this identity median. L means lower limit. Lower limit is a 40 plus n by 2. Value of n by 2 is a 50. N by 2 is a 50. Now 50 minus CF. CF is a 26. Mention 26 divided by F. F means frequency. Frequency is 44. 44 multiply H. H means difference. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. Okay, now 10. Calculate. Answer 40 to 50. Answer is in between 40 to 50. Check. Median 40, 40 as it is. 50 minus 26, 24 divided by 44 multiply 10. 40 as it is. Solve out. 240 divided by 44. 5.45. Now 40 plus 5.45, 40 plus 5.45, 45.45 is a answer. In between 40 to 50, 45.45, 45.45. Okay, let's see again. According to identity, given question, class and F, class interval and F frequency given. So first we calculate CF calculate from F. First value as it is 6 as it is. 6 plus 20 26, 26 plus 44 70, 70 plus 26 96, 96 plus 3 99, 99 plus 1 100. Okay, now calculate sigma F. Sigma F means addition 100. Now n by 2, 100 by 2 means 50. Okay, check value of 50. Just above 50 in CF value is 70. Now all values closed in a box in front of 70. So F 44, CF means a preceding term CF, L means lower limit, H means a difference. All values put in this identity, and solve out. Answer in between 40 to 50. 45.45 is a answer. Next question. Question number second and third similar, fourth also similar. Now we discuss question 4. Class interval and frequency given. Class interval 0 to 8, frequency 44, 42. 8 to 16, frequency 30. 16 to 24, frequency 50. 24 to 32, frequency 22. 32 to 40, frequency 8. 40 to 48, frequency 5. Class interval and frequency given. Okay, class interval frequency mention as it is. Now first calculate CF, means a cumulative frequency. CF means a cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency calculate from frequency. Okay, first frequency mention as it is. 42 mention as it is. 42 as it is. Now 42 plus 30, 72. 72 plus 50, 122. 122 plus 22, 144. 144 plus 8, 152. 152 plus 5, 157. Okay, CF calculate. Now next step, sigma F calculate. Addition of sigma, addition of frequency, 42 plus 30 plus 50 plus 22 plus 8 plus 5 equal 157. First step CF calculate, next step sigma F calculate. Sigma F 157. Next step sigma F divided by 2 means n divided by 2. 157 divided by 2, 78.5. 78.5. Okay, now 78.5 we check out just above 78.5 in corresponding term of CF. Okay, 78.5 just above 78.5 in CF 122. So all values are in, all values mentioned in a box. Okay, now in front of 122, now value of F 50, value of CF means preceding term CF 72. L lower limit is 16, lower limit is 16. H means difference, 0 to 8 means 8 minus 0, 8. 8 to 16, 16 minus 8, 8. 24 minus 16, 8. 8, 8 and 8. Value of H is 8. Okay, now all values put in this identity. Median L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L means lower limit, lower limit is 16, mention 16. Answer in between 16 to 24, in between 16 to 24. Let's see 16 as it is. N by 2, n by 2 78.5, 78.5. CF 72, CF 72 upon F frequency, frequency 50, frequency is 50. Multiply H, value of H is 8, value of H is 8. 16 as it is. 78.5 minus 72, 6.5 into 8 divided by 50. 16 as it is. Solve out 6.5 multiply 8 divided by 50. It means we get 1.04. 16 plus 1.04, it means 17.04. 17.04 is a median. Okay, let's see again. Class interval and frequency given, mention class interval and frequency as it is. First step, we calculate CF. We calculate CF. CF from F, first number as it is 42. Now 42 plus 30, 72. 72 plus 50, 122. 122 plus 22, 144. 144 plus 8, 152. 152 plus 5, 157. Okay, now calculate sigma F. Sigma F 152. Sigma F divided by 2, value of n by 2, 78.5. Just above 78.5 in CF. Just above 78.5 in CF 122. Okay, all values are closed in a box. Value of F is 50. In front of F and its preceding is a CF. L lower limit 16. H difference 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 8 difference. All values put in identity. L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiply H. 16, 17.8 minus 72, F 50 into H difference. Solve out 17.04, in between 60 to 20. Okay, remaining question as it is. Try yourself. If you have any doubt, please comment. your comment in comment box. Okay, thanks.